Come on, keeper sheeper. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, what is that? That's a good one. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Connor, your YouTube fisherman, back with another video. We're here, Mosquito Lagoon, my favorite spot to fish. It's a foggy morning. It's clearing up a little, but we are here. I'm gonna be doing some sheepshead fishing today. If you guys remember on my last video, I'm gonna go ahead and put it here for you, the link. You could check it out. We were pretty successful finding the sheepshead. So I'm hoping today we do the same. And once I'm done with the sheepshead, the bite slows down, I'm gonna catch me some pinfish. And I'm gonna use the live pinfish for the snook. Hopefully, you know, it's snook season open, so it's open till May 31st. I'm gonna troll and try to get me some snook as well. But first, we're definitely targeting mangrove snappers, sheepshead, maybe black drum. We're gonna find the honey hole, hopefully. That is the plan for today. So let's see what happens. Oh, first fish of the day. Yes. We got our sheepy. Back to our spot, guys. And they are here. They are still here. First sheepy of the day. We got him. It looks short, but we're gonna go ahead and measure it just to make sure. All right. We have. All right, buddy. Hold on. Hold on, my buddy. Hold on. There you go, guys. Nice sheepy, nice and cold. Water temperature around 62 degrees. Right now 63. We have 11 inches. Hold on, hold on. Yes, sir. We got, yep, 11 inch. So that is too short. We're gonna let him go. Nice small hook right there, number one. That's the octopus hook. And thank you for playing. Here goes the first sheepshead of the day, guys. I love it. I love it. Good morning, everybody. This is our setup, guys. We got the hook. I got a couple of split shots, 15-pound mono, and I got 20-pound braided. Just tied them together, uni knot. And I'm using the sand fleas, frozen, hook them from the back to the front, exposing the hook a little, and just kind of dropping them there. It's around 9.5 feet here. There's a lot of current, so that's why I put too many split shots. Depends on the current. You could put more, less. And I don't go all the way down, so I keep it around 8 feet. I keep my rod tip down and just wait for that bite. There we go, another one. This looks short as well. Oh man. Crazy, right? But hey, we're catching them, man. It's a lot of fun. This dust looks like 11 as well. Let's measure it. Make sure. Okay. Wow, that is so sharp, man. Crazy. Hold on, buddy, hold on. I know you're short, but let's try. Alright guys, we got, yep, 10. This is 10. We'll let him go. Take a little picture. Send his way. Gotta love it, guys. But I need your bigger brother, man. There you go. There's a nice photo. Thanks for playing. Tell your big brother, sister to come by and say hello to me. He goes in the hole. Honey hole. Another baby. Another sheepy. Ooh, that looks like 11. Man, that's my third one. Back to back. And it looks like 11, guys. Man, what's going on? Come on, sheepy. Keeper, sheeper. Oh, that's too small. You're a baby. You're a baby. Man. Here we go. Frozen shrimp, and we got them. Oh, they love shrimp, man. I know they love sand fleas, guys, but definitely they love shrimp better. Side of the mouth, another small one, probably a 9-incher. I'm not even gonna measure. Go back to your hole. Ew. Another one, guys, another one, but definitely short again. Definitely looks short again. Man, I need those keeper sheepers, man, not these baby ones. And they're out there, man. I see them. Look at that. Look at that big one. Look at that huge one. Guys, look at that one. They're all there. Let's try, man. Let's go. Look at those big ones. Look at the big ones. Look at those big ones. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. The whole family. Let's go. Let's go, family. Come on, family. I know you guys can do this, man. I'll give you a nice shrimp. Not the small ones. No, no. Not you. Not you. I see you. I don't want you. I don't want no spade fish. I want a good sized sheepshead. Nope, you're too small. Oh, maybe he's like 12. What do you think? Man, this is crazy. I could actually see and decide what to catch. We got a good one, guys. We got a nice black drum. We got a nice black drum. Yes, keeper black drum. Oh man, this is so cool, man. They gotta be 14-inch. This is definitely 14. We'll measure it. Oh man, patience is a virtue, guys. Let's check that out. Here we go. We have 14 and a half. Right there. Right there, guys. Almost 15, 14 and a half. Nice keeper, black drum. Yes, drumming away. Yes, baby. I love it. I love it, guys. This is so cool, man. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Okay, good. Very nice. Okay, put through the gills so I don't lose them. Okay, nice. Here we go. Get the hook out. Drumming away. Yes. Yes, baby. Patience is a virtue, baby. Look at that, baby. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes. We got it. And there's some big boys there still. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the cooler and keep on fishing, guys. Another sheepy. Oh, small. Man. Too short. Yeah, they're biting the shrimp like crazy, guys. Another one. Another small sheepy. Man, see the big ones right there. Man, that's crazy. The big ones, they're not feeding. I don't know what's going on. Oh my God. Well, I mean, we're catching fish. But I want to get a keeper sheeper, man. Look at him. Goes back to his hole. Oh, another small sheepy. Ah, man. Ah, I want the big ones, but they're not eating. The big ones are not eating, guys. It's crazy. They're right there on the surface almost, and they're not eating. Come on, keeper sheeper. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, what is that? That's a good one. This is a good one, guys. Oh, yes. Look at that black drop. Look at that black drop. Oh, my God. Where's the net? Where's the net? Oh. Come on. Yes. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Got him in the net. Oh, that was a big one. Oh my God, that was a good hit. Yes. Guys, look at that. That's perfect size right there. What is that, 20? It looks like 20. Oh, baby. Oh, drumming away. Yes. Oh man, that was a rush. Oh my God, that was a good hit. Frozen shrimp, baby, frozen shrimp. Get the hook off his mouth. Oh, right on the top of the lip, man. Here we go. Got it off. Easy, buddy, easy. I got you, baby. I got you. I got you on the BOGO. Look at that, guys. Frozen shrimp. Beautiful drum, man. That's a good size, good eating size. Let's measure it. Oh, the net came clutch. Clutch, guys, clutch. Let's see. What do we got? We have, oh, beautiful. 18.5. Right there. Yep, 18.5. Almost 19. Pinch tail, almost 19. Yep. 19-inch black drum. Perfect eating size. He's a fat boy. Oh yeah, baby. I will take you home. Yes. Guys, yes, man. I'm telling you, patience is a virtue. I waited and waited, and I'm getting these black drums. I'm not getting the sheepshead keeper, but I'm gonna get him as well. So get ready for catch and cook, guys. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a different one. Yes, baby. Look at this beauty. Come to Papa. Oh yes. Oh man, another small one. Ah, oh my God, another sheepshead. He got tangled, or oh yeah, he got tangled. I'm like, what the hell? How did I catch him? On the belly, guys. I don't know what's going on, but all undersized. So annoying. Oh, another one. Another sheepy. I just moved the ducks. I want to work another one. And here we go, another small sheepy. This is around 8.4 feet. Water temperature 64. Nice water temperature. Current started going this way. Up, here we go. There's a bite. Oh, here we go. We got it. We got it, guys. Oh, there might be a keeper. This could be a keeper, guys. This could be a keeper. Let me see here. Right on the side of the mouth. Ooh, This could be a 12 incher. Let's see here. Oh man, this is gonna be a close one. This is a close one. Let's measure him. Hold on, buddy. Come on, B12. B12. Pinch the tail. Nope. Man, 11. 11 inches, guys. Right there. 11. Yeah, it's just small size sheepies, man. Yeah, I wanna get the big one. But I got two keeper black drums. 14 and 19, so not bad. All right, guys, here it is. Almost keeper. Drop it and ready to hook it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Wow, that's quick. As soon as you put it down, they're here. Oh man, again. 11. It looks like 11. Oh my god. Or I'm catching the same one. Oh, there we go. Another shorty. Oh my god. Another one. Oh, maybe close. No, I think it's 11. Man, what is this? Okay. Easy. I think you're 11. Easy, buddy. Oh yeah, 10 incher. This one has a scar, so I know I'm not catching the same one at least. Guys, got another undersize. The weather's kind of going sour. We're getting some chop here, so I think I'm gonna give up on the keeper sheeper, man. All undersize. I'm using the bottom sweeper right there. That's a nice jig. Well, guys, it's been fun, man. It was crazy, really crazy. A lot of sheepshead, but those big ones, you see when the water's clear, they don't bite. They're not biting. I don't know what's going on, but they're just lethargic, I guess. They're just chilling. And I saw a bunch of snooks right there by the shore, right along the walls, and they're just sitting there. So I think really good fishing if I come back here during night. I could do some night kayak fishing around here with the lights and the ducks and the sheepshead, probably full moon time. Definitely the big ones will bite, and we'll catch some snook since it's a snook season. So that's, I think, what I'm gonna do. Next video is gonna be some night kayak fishing. Let's see, guys, but that's it for today. Thank you for joining me at this adventure today. I had great time. Lots of sheepshead, a lot of them, but not a keeper like last time I did. But I got two keeper black drum, 14 and a 19 incher. So we're going home, gonna do some catch and cook, so stick around for that. But thanks for watching, man. I appreciate you guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. I want to grow my channel. I want to be 5,000, 10,000 subscriber, make a lot of video for you guys. So thanks a lot again, and I will see you on the next video. See you.